Okay, this is called quadratic equations. Okay, what does an equation have in it? Numbers, letters, and an equals. Equals is the important thing. It's not a quadratic expression, it's an equation. It has an equals. Okay? So, they're going to ask you to solve something like this. 4x squared plus 12x equals 0. In order to solve it equal to 0, you first need to factorize it. Can anyone tell me what type of factorizing is this? Highest common factor. Lovely. What is common? 4 and x. 4x by what gives me 4x squared? 4x by what gives me 12x? And then all you do is equal 0. From here, this is the new part. Split your page. You put the thing on the left equal to 0, and you put the thing on the right equal to 0. So 4x equals 0 and x plus 3 equals 0. Now, if 4 somethings is 0, what's x? 0 divided by 4, which is 0. Now, x plus 3 is 0. How do I get x on its own? Where does that 3 go? Over and becomes a minus. What's 0 minus 3? Minus 3. There's your two answers. X is 0 and x is minus 3. When we're solving something with an x squared, we're going to get two answers.
So there's two x's. So the answer is 0.
Oh, so the number is always on the right side.
Yeah.
Even if it's a minus.
Will I do another one?
Yeah.
Is that how you like that?
That's it. There's your two answers.
How come the number on the other side isn't?
No, leave them exactly like that.
How come the number on the left side of the 4x isn't on the right side?
Because there's no other than 12x.
Because the 0 is here.
But the 0 is there now.
I'm not bringing the 4 over and making it a minus and making it a number. It's being divided by 4. And 0 divided by 4 is just 0. Let me do another one and see, does it help? Solve x squared minus 9 equals 0. Yeah, and if they're not equal to 0, you bring everything to one side to make them equal to 0. But I'll do more of that in a minute. X squared minus 9, what type of factorizing is that?
Double square, no.
Difference of two squares. Okay, so this is x to be squared, and this is 3 to be squared. How do I do difference of squares after this step?
X minus
Lovely. X plus 3x minus 3 equal 0. From there, split your page. Put the left thing equal to 0 and put the right thing equal to 0. So x plus 3 is 0 and x minus 3 is 0. Over here, how do I get x on its own? Plus 3 comes over here and becomes? What's 0 minus 3? Just minus 3. And over here, minus 3 comes over, becomes plus 3. What's 0 plus 3? Just 3. Yeah. Okay, one more.
because when you move it over, it changes sign.
You move over the plus.
Okay? Example 3?
Yeah.
Can I get rid of the board?
Yeah.
X squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. We need to factorize it first. How do I factorize that? Quadratics. Lovely. Factors of 14. 7 and 2. Lovely. Factors of a minus. Plus and a minus. Which is going to be which? No. Yeah, do your check, okay? So plus 7 take 2 is 5. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. So it must be this one. Now, because it's just an x squared, I can do my little, not cheat, but I'm making it a bit faster for myself. Okay, I know the factors are minus 7 and plus 2 equals 0. Where do I go from here to solve this? Yeah, split your page. Go on. X minus 7 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. And then get x on its own. Minus 7 comes over, becomes plus 7. What's 0 plus 7? 7. And plus 2 comes over, becomes minus 2. 0 minus 2? Minus 2.